Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lanay, and I hope this video brightens your day. If you want to see me go from this to this, feel free to stick around. I'll be listing all the products for my go-to makeup routine. First thing I go in with is my skin prep, and I am using the Power Grip Primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics. I really like this one because it reminds me a lot of the Milk Makeup one, but more of an affordable price. After skin prep, I really like going in with my brows first because I feel like they really make the face. I use majority NYX products for my brows. Honestly, all of them are. I use the NYX gel for the brows, the clear brow gel. I outline my eyebrows with the brow pencil, and then I go in with the brow tattoo pen to define my eyebrows. So that's what I'm doing here. I like to start off with a little line and use brow-like strokes throughout the whole eyebrow to make them seem fuller. My eyebrows are definitely on the thinner side, so I like to go in with all three of these products to zhuzh them up. I think it looks really good whenever I go back in with the pen to give it some definition. It's something that I just recently started doing, and I absolutely love it. Just when you thought we were done with brows, we're not. We're gonna carve out my brows with my Huda Beauty concealer. This is my favorite one in the faux filter, color Praline, and I'm gonna use this little cute flat brush that I've been using for a while. For my eyebrows, I love to go in right under the brow bone first, and then go in the front. Follow that up with going on the other brow, and then doing the top part just to make them look sharp. And then after that, I'm going to blend it out with my favorite concealer brush from Real Techniques. It just does it for me. Okay, and now we're going to move on to complexion. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow. It is comparable to the Charlotte Tilbury Glow. This is more so to be used under your foundation, but you can wear it as foundation if you want. It gives the girl the glow that she's looking for. I love this product so much, and it is a great price point. I'm going in with a foundation stick now, but you can use a bronzer stick. I'm really interested in trying the Rare Beauty bronzer stick because this is a foundation stick, but I'm going to use it just the same. I'm going to blend it out with my Morphe setting spray. This just helps me move the product a little bit easier. And I blend until I cannot blend anymore. I'm going to use it in places I want to add a little bit of a bronzy look. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm going back in with that same Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Praline. This is my favorite concealer at the moment. And then I'm gonna move on to foundation. The foundation I'm gonna be using is my NARS in Tahoe and my Makeup by Mario in 20N. Those two mixed together are just my perfect shade. I love. And I don't wanna get rid of the Makeup by Mario. It's a little bit dark. But she's gonna work whenever I get my tan in Jamaica this summer, period. I like to go in with a little bit of setting spray to help me blend all of that together and blend that out. And as you can see, we're gonna let this concealer stay because we want her to dry down a bit. Whenever you let your concealer dry down a little bit longer than the rest of the products, it gives you a little bit more coverage in those areas that you put it. So I'm gonna go in with my liquid blush by Juvia's Place. I love this blush. It is very pigmented. So you see, I'm only putting a little tink on my face. Only a little bit. You see a little heart. Because it is very pigmented. I love this shade. And so far I've tried out 2 shades and I love. So now we're going to go in with the concealer and we're blending her out. She's sat enough and it's looking pretty good. I didn't mention it before, but I like to put concealer in places on my face that I want light to hit and shine, and I really want to brighten. So my under eye, above my lip, and I blend a little bit of the excess on my chin. Y'all, the cream base is done, so now we need to set this face. I'm going in with my Laura Mercier powder in Honey and Huda Beauty in Pound Cake. I like to blend a little bit more before I go in with my powder puff and blend like my life depends on it. This powder puff has definitely taken my face and my makeup to another level. The girlies on TikTok definitely put me on, and they are super affordable. If you want to check out the powder puffs, I have them listed in my Amazon storefront. They come in a pack of like 6 or something like that, and I have not put them down since I've ordered them. Right now you see me putting powder in all of my highlighted spaces first, dipping some of the powder off on the back of my hand. And then after that, I'm going to set the majority of my face, like the bronzy areas on top of my lids after that. But I really wanted to get into my under eye, my chin, and then carve out my cheekbones. Now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Caramel Cutie. This is my favorite bronzer ever. I freaking love this bronzer, and I'm going in with my Morphe brush. This one perfectly like sits in my cheekbone area, and it makes bronzing pretty easy for me. I'm gonna bronze my cheeks, and where I put the cream bronzer earlier, the foundation stick, the darker one earlier, I'm gonna hit those same spots just to give it some depth. And then we're gonna go and give you a little bit of a nose contour moment, tiny, just a tad bit, because sometimes I can go a little crazy, but I like to blend up into my brow. It does something for me. I don't know what she does, but it does something. And then I go in with the blender eyeshadow brush, because I don't know how to do eyeshadow, but I know how to do this, and this gives. So I kind of use the same bronzer as an eyeshadow just all over the lid. Now we're gonna pop on some blush. This blush right here is 10 out of 10. It's by House Labs. It's Paloma Peach. I definitely was put on by Miss Lori Harvey. She did a little makeup tutorial on her TikTok a while back, and I had to get it whenever I saw it on her. I just had to. Lord have mercy. Here lies my favorite under eye powder. See, child, you may say throw away, but I say she's here to stay. Look, this step makes my makeup go from a 5 to a 10, okay? This helps my under eye stay all day. It's helped a lot with creasing, and I love doing this. Next, I'm going in with the chocolate brown liner in my underline, like kind of waterliney, but kind of not. And then I'm going in with the black one on my top lid part. It's very messy, but she's gonna blend it out with a brush. Don't worry. This is just to cover up the lash band if need be. See, I'm giving you a little close-up action to see what I kind of do. See, she doesn't have to be neat. It can be a little messy, but she's going to get the job done. And here I go with my 13.7 million setting sprays. I'm using Morphe setting spray, the one size setting spray, and I'm also going in with my Charlotte Tilbury that I need to restock on. But she's going to give, and the face is going to stay all day. We're using our little broken fan, and then we're going to go in with our favorite mascara from Rare Beauty. I've purchased this time and time again. They sent it to me a while back, but I have repurchased this myself multiple times. And it's a 10. She doesn't really have fallout, as you can see. I love it. I have tiny lashes, and she gets them. Next, I'm going in with my one size lip liner in Rent Dew. Rent was definitely due whenever they made this, because it's a 10 out of 10. And I'm using my Rare Beauty lip oil in Hope. I really like this line. Rare Beauty did their thing with these lip oils because they are so light and comfortable. I actually love them. Love them. And then after this lip, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place lip gloss. I don't know the name of it, but I will put it in the comments. It's just a pinky nudie gloss that I got just to put right in the center to give that lip oil a little bit of life. You feel me? I love a nude pinky lip. And then I'm gonna go in with the Super Light Powder by Maybelline. It's their Super Stay 24-hour powder, just to brighten up that eye just a bit. And I'm gonna go in with the NARS, I can't think of the name of this right now. It's a powder, and I like it. It makes me look smooth. And next, I'm gonna go in with my Rare Beauty highlighter. This highlighter is really good and doesn't emphasize texture a lot, so I think I like it because of that. I'm gonna go in with my Naked Lashes by Ardell and do my bottom lashes with that same Rare Beauty mascara that gives. And then we're gonna give the face a spritz one more time just because, and then go in with our Ami Collet. This is like a balmy highlighter. I like doing this on top because it gives me a different type of shine and glow that's not too harsh. I'm taking off the wrap because babe, it's done. The face is beat. I absolutely love this makeup look. It looks so nice, glowy, and natural in my opinion. So nice, super easy to achieve. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys tried out your dang self because girl, why not? We need a little cutesy, glowy go-to look for the summer. Anyway, it's your girl, that's Lanay, and I hope this video brightened your day. Peace.